Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you a step-by-step process to insert a picture into shape in MS Word. So let's get started. So first of all, open the MS Word program. I hope you already know how to open the MS Word program. So then click on Insert tab, then go to Shapes, then choose your favorite shapes where which shape you want to use. So I want to use this rectangle shape, then I click on this shape, then draw the shape on workspace, then select this shape and go to format tab and go to shape fill, then go to picture, then click on from a file, then go to your picture, then insert the picture. So I have successfully insert my picture into shape. So now I can format it. Click on the picture shape and click on format. Then here's many more things have. You can try these things to edit and optimize the picture. Then I'm gonna change the color. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this color. So this color is applied on the picture. So you can apply many more things from format tabs. Okay, if I want to apply artistic effects, then I can apply them also. So I hope this video help you to insert your picture into your favorite shape. You can apply this to any kind of shapes, which shapes available here. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching the tutorial.